Hi everyone and welcome to Cressy Corner. Today I'll be showing you how to bake a brownie with no-bake cheesecake. Okay, so we will be baking the brownie as per instruction on the box, but I'll be using milk instead of the water. Okay, this will make it taste so much better. And I'll be using vanilla too. Okay, so I'll show you how to make it. So first you want to break your egg, and I will be cracking this on a flat surface in order to prevent shells from going in my bowl. And I do this first, okay? So I already beat my eggs, and now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla to this. This is gonna make it taste nice and vanilla. So now I'm adding my milk. The recipe calls for a quarter cup of water, but I'll be using a half cup of milk, okay? And then you want to add your cake mix. My brownie mix instead. Okay guys, so this is what the brownie looks like after it's mixed. And I will be adding some oil to this. And I will leave the ingredients at the bottom of my page so you can get this. But I'm telling you, whenever I make this, it's so good. I use more than what's on the box, and it turned out really good. Now I'm pouring the mixture in my already greased pan, and I know it does not look like your typical brownie, but that's because I had milk, and I had more than what the box is, because I don't want it to dry out. And I'm gonna show you how good this look after it's finished and how yummy it is. It's gonna be super moist. Okay guys, so now I'm putting this in my oven on a 350 degree, and it will bake for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna do the no-bake cheesecake. Okay guys, so while the brownie is baking, now it's time to do our no-bake cheesecake, and we're using only 5 ingredients for this. Okay, so let's get this started. Okay, so first we're gonna beat the cream cheese, and I'm using a stand mixer for this. By the way guys, this cream cheese was at room temperature before I start beating it. It's best to have your cream cheese out before you start beating. So the first thing I'm adding in to this cream cheese is a pinch of salt, and this is what a pinch of salt looks like. And this is gonna be so good guys. Everyone always love this when I make it. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, all the ingredients will be in the description for you. And you want to mix your vanilla in now, and I'm using a spatula to do this. And now I'm adding in my lemon juice. You can use fresh lemons for this, but this works also if you don't have the fresh lemons. And now I'm mixing in all those ingredients, and I will be doing the condensed milk last. Now I will be adding in my condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can, and I will be doing 3/4 of it. You can add according to your taste, okay? Okay guys, so my timer just went off, so I will be testing to see if the brownies are done. And my toothpick came out clean, so it's done, and I will be removing it. My brownie has been cooling down for 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna do the cheesecake on top of it. But I can tell you guys, this make the entire house smells so good. Okay, so I will be pouring my cheesecake mixture on top of these brownies, and I'm telling you guys, I wish you could smell this through the screen. The brownie smells so good. And I will be also doing some strawberries on top of this, and I'm gonna show you all what it looks like, and I hope you make this brownie and I hope you enjoy it. I will be letting this chill in the fridge for like 2 hours, and then I will put my strawberries on it and I will show you what it looks like. This is what my cheesecake brownie looks like after it's done, and I did top it off with my strawberry glaze. If you would like to see how I make the strawberry glaze, please leave a comment and I will definitely show you how I make it. And this is so yummy, guys. You'll have to try this recipe. Please try, please let me know how you like it, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you see whenever time we post a video. Thanks. Bye.